Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you've ever wanted to get more detailed information about your iPhone, like checking its battery health, storage usage, or even the firmware version, you've come to the right place. Today I'm going to show you how to use 3utools, a free tool that helps you manage and check your iPhone more efficiently. First things first, you need to download 3utools. Head over to the official website of www.3u.com and simply download it. Once the download is complete, just follow the installation prompts. It's pretty straightforward. Just make sure you allow it to install any necessary drivers for your iPhone. Now take your iPhone and connect it to your computer using a lightning cable. Once it's connected, 3utools should automatically detect your device. Now you'll see your iPhone's details right on the main screen of 3utools, including the model, iOS version, and other important info. Once your device is connected, you can see all sorts of device informations. On the dashboard, you can find device model, iOS version, serial number, and IMEI number. One of the most useful features of 3utools is checking your battery health. If you're running low on storage or just want to see what's taking up space, 3utools also gives you an easy way to check your storage usage. And so there you have it. Using 3utools is a fantastic way to check your iPhone's details, system health, and other information all in one place. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.